Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to model a Delta aircraft, a Delta wing fighter aircraft, using DesignModeler. And then in the next video I'm going to show you how to run the simulation, set up the simulation for this Delta wing fighter aircraft. There are three kinds of design in aircraft. The first is the wing first design. A typical example is F-16, where you have the tail horizontal stabilizer is placed after the wing. And then this is the tailless design. Which you only have one wing for the aircraft. And then next one is the tail first design, where people call canopy. So the horizontal stabilizer is placed before the wing, at the front of the wing. So for the wing modeling, you can watch my video here. So for this fighter aircraft, you can use NACA 64A204 at the root and do the transitioning to a NACA 64A208 at the tip. So this is taken from F-16. And then for the fuselage, so this video I'm going to show you how to model the fuselage. So the first step is to create the ogive nose and then round the sharp nose. Because in meshing, in CFD we don't like anything sharp. And then create the cylindrical body and the boat tail. It's the nozzle actually. And then you use the surface lofting. You can use in Space Clip if you want, but we can do it in DesignModeler to merge the ogive nose and the cylindrical body. And then I'll show you how to create the bubble canopy and then merge them all together to form one fuselage body. For the vertical stabilizer, you can use symmetrical airfoil. For instance, NACA 64008, 008, 8% thickness. You can get the airfoils from this airfoiltools.com. So let's go over to this ANSYS workbench. The first thing you need to do is to create the geometry. From here, drag and drop here, and then right click and open it in DesignModeler. So I've created the whole aircraft earlier. I'm just going to walk you through on how this is being created. So first thing first, you need to create the sketch. Create the sketch, and I'll just show you. And go to sketching mode to create this part, to create this part of the nose. So the dimension, the dimension of the nose is 0.2 meter. Here. Maybe I should show you how to create this from scratch. Let's go to this geometry and place it here. Right click. Open it in DesignModeler. So first thing first, you need to go to XY plane. Create a new sketch. Click on that one. It's called sketch 1. Then we go to sketching mode. You need to create an ogive nose. So start the horizontal line and the vertical line. So make sure the two lines are connected at this point. Zoom out. They are connected. Let's zoom out. Click that button there. And then you go to dimensions, horizontal dimensions, okay, between this vertical line and this line is 3. Okay, let's go back to this one. Okay, it's 2, and the vertical line, okay, the dimension is 0.5. Okay, let's go back here. So this line is 2 meter, 2, and then the vertical height is 0.5, right? Then go to draw and create arc by tangent, like so. No, undo. Up by, okay, it should be up by 3 points. Okay, this one, and yes, this one. So the dimensions, okay, I'll put the radius here. The radius is, I cannot remember. Let's go back to the old geometry here. Okay, that's R3. R3 is 5 meter. Okay, that R3 is 5 meter. Okay, let's zoom into this part. Now we want to round this sharp edge here, right? So you go to draw, okay, and then create a circle. Okay, you have to place the center of the circle on this line, and you move your mouse, okay, until you see this T. T means tangent, right? You see the line, okay, tangent to this circle is being highlighted in pink or red, okay. Then you give the dimension, okay, it should be the diameter of this guy. So the diameter is 0.1, yes. And then I'll just trim off the excess lines. Okay, I go to modify, click trim. Okay, I'll start with this line here, this line here. I don't want this line also, and then this front part. Okay, see the excess line there. Okay, right, and then I need to put the radius back here. Is it? Yes. Oh, it's over constrained. Give me a second. What is wrong? D4. Okay, now I see. Undo. I think this is the problem. Let's try. Yes. Okay. So you see, when all the lines are properly constrained, they all turn blue. Okay. If you see a cayenne line, it means that the line is not being constrained properly. So you go back to modeling mode, okay, and then create revolve. Okay, you want to revolve the sketch, okay, and then axis is this axis. Okay, apply, add material, generate. Now you get the ogive nose. Okay, the front part of your aircraft. Right, so now I want to create the cylindrical body. Okay, so the cylindrical body starts somewhere over here, right? So I would say it starts right at the back of this bubble canopy, okay, towards the end of the aircraft. So I'm going to place my bubble canopy between this nose and this boat tail. This cylindrical body. So let's go to here. Okay, you need to create another sketch. Okay, click on XY plane, create new sketch. Okay, sketch 2 now, entering the sketch mode. Now you need to create a cylinder like so, right? Okay, so the dimensions, okay, the vertical dimension, okay, from this line to this line is 0.5, right? So I want to place the bottom of my cylindrical body, okay, on the same level of this on this part of the nose, okay, the bottom part of the nose. Okay, and then let's see what's the dimension of the diameter of the what is that, cylindrical body. Okay, I need to go to sketch number 2, right? Yes. So it's placed 5 meters, okay, behind the vertical line. Okay, that's fine. V5, it should be 0.75. Okay, so the diameter is 1.5 meter. So let's go back to this one. So the diameter vertical here to here, okay, is 0.75, and it's placed 5 meters. Where is the horizontal distance? Okay, this one is 5 meters. Okay, right, and then the length of this one, okay, okay, so the distance, okay, between this H20, okay, so this part is 13.8. Let's go back to here. This one to here is 13.8. Yes. Okay. Right. And then you go to modeling mode, create, revolve, okay, about this line, apply, generate. Now you have the cylindrical body. Okay, I'll create a new sketch for the nozzle or boat tail. Okay, create a new sketch called sketch 3. Okay, entering sketching mode, click on this Z down here. Okay, sketching mode. Now I want to create a line like so. Okay, hold on, maybe I should just do this. I'll create a rectangle, okay, from this point, okay, like so. Okay, and then the length of the cylinder, not the boat tail, is H21. Let's go to H21. H20 is 0.7 meter. Okay, and then let's go to dimensions. Horizontal from here to here is 0.7, right? And then I want to modify, I want to trim, not trim, I want to chamfer it. Length is 0.5. Let's try 0.5. Okay, 0.5 is too much. Okay, I see. Right, let's do this. Right, I have that one there. Then I draw a line. Okay, from this point to this point. Zoom in. And I will just trim off, okay, the lines that I don't want. This part, and this part I don't want. and I'll give it an angle. So this angle and this angle, let's give it 170 degree, right? Okay, this line is turned in. Okay, the horizontal distance between this one and this one is 0.7 if I remember right. Yes. Okay, and what happened to this guy here? Okay, I think this is not properly constrained, is it? Yes. 0.75, yes. Okay, now we can go back to the modeling mode and revolve it. So revolve, the sketch, okay, it's highlighted. Axis, about this axis also, okay, add material, revolve. Now these two parts are being connected. Okay, these two parts are being connected because why? Okay, when you revolve this part, okay, add material, okay, this part is also add material, so they'll just combine into one. Okay, now we'll need to create, okay, we need to load this part and this part to create one body, right? So you need to go to create skin loading, okay, profiles, select this circle and this circle, apply and generate. Hold on, what happened? Okay, let's see what is the error. Right. Okay, now you see, okay, we have something very strange. Okay, so that means that this line, okay, this point here is connected to this point over here, so we don't want that. So let's generate, okay, so it won't work. Now what we can do is we'll try to rotate this point to this side, okay, insert, okay, body transformation, rotate, okay, body is this one, okay, you can try to rotate this part, okay, this point to that side, or you try to rotate this body, okay, to make the point from this side to this side, right? So here we are here, okay, we are rotating, we are trying to make the point to that. So axis is, okay, axis, this one, apply, rotate by 180 degree, right? Now it works. Now it works. So this is the body, right? So next, okay, we need to create the bubble canopy. The bubble canopy. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, you need to create the sketch on XY plane, like so. Okay, and then you go to sketching mode. Okay, we'll try to create an ellipse. Okay, an ellipse. Okay, yes, before that, okay, you need to create a line, this one, okay, put it there, then you go to the dimension, this point to this point, I remember is 3, right? And then the height, okay, of this point from here is 0.75, right? Yes. Now we have our reference line. Okay, then we can create, okay, a bubble canopy here. Okay, So I'll start my, hold on, okay, modify, okay, draw. I'll create two circles. I'll create two circles here, one circle, two circles, okay, like so. And then I want to create another circle, okay, up by 3 points, okay. Okay, right. So I need to create up by tangent, like so, right? Okay. Does it work? Okay, let's do. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, I'll just I'll create a big circle first, right? Up by 3 points, right? So I'll start from this part to this part, like so, right? And then I want to create a round there by, oh no, circle, okay, put a circle until I see T, tangent, put a circle until I see T, yes. Okay, zoom in. Right, so now I need to put the dimension, okay, the radius for this canopy. 2 meters, I think it's a bit, the radius is 2 meters, I think it's fine, right? And then, okay, what did I do for this one? R16. Okay, R16, yes. R16 is 2.8. Okay, let's stick to 2.8. Okay, here. 2.8, like so. Okay, then the dimension, okay, the distance, okay, general distance, okay, from this point to this point, okay, it's 0.2. Let's round it up to 0.2. Okay, and then from this point to that point also. Hold on. Okay, okay. I need to delete this guy. What is that? L19. Okay, okay, that's 0.2 as well. Delete. Right. So this one is 0.2 as well, I guess. Yes. Okay, now I want to trim off. We need to trim off the access lines, okay, which is this one, and this one, and this one also, right? Oops, yes, this part, right? Zoom in. Okay, I need to trim off this part and this part. Okay, so this will make our bubble canopy, right? So the next thing is to revolve about this axis, create revolve axis is this part, okay, add material, generate, right? So this is our bubble canopy. Okay. This is not very good because this one, okay, is going to create some pressure drag over here. Okay, so what we can do, okay, we'll try to create blend, okay, between the bubble canopy and the fuselage. Okay, this is what we can do. Select all the edges and then create, let's say, fixed radius blend about 0.1 meter. Let's see what we can do. Generate. Okay, this is what we get. Okay, maybe 0.1 is too small. Let's try 0.2. Right. Hmm, 0.2 is too small. Let's try 0.25. Yeah. Okay, I think this looks better. Right. Okay, if you want, you can increase it to 0.3. Let's try what will happen. Okay. Right, I think this is good. Okay, this is good. This is good for now. Okay, so this is our fuselage. Next, we want to import the wing. Okay, I've created the wing earlier, so I'm gonna import it. Okay, so I just need to navigate to where I saved the wing file here. Okay, what did I do? Import all files, all geometry, all files. Okay, delta wing. Open, generate. So that's my wing. Okay, I think the wing is a bit too small. Okay, I'll just enlarge it a little bit. I created this wing for another project. Okay, not for this one. So for just to show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm just gonna enlarge it a little bit. Okay, create. Not this one. Create body transformation. I want to scale it. Okay, I want to make it bigger. Okay, apply big by 20%. Oh, okay, 20%. That's 1.2. Okay, generate. Okay, so this one has a large wing. Okay, so I want to tilt the wing by 0.5 degree. Create body transformation, rotate. Okay, so axis is XY plane, so you click on XY plane. Okay, this arrow will appear, so it shows that this is where you want to rotate about. Apply, rotate by 0.5 degree. Right, so you can check, okay, is it being tilted 0.5 degree, like so? Yes. Okay, if you're not sure, 45 degrees like that. Okay, your wing is going to look like that if you tilt 45 degree. So I just want 0.5. Okay, generate. Okay, and then I want to move my wing up a little bit. Okay, translate, apply. Okay, the wing, apply. Okay, just direction, okay, in this direction, okay, positive y direction, move by 0.3 meter, generate. Okay, let's zoom in. Or 0.3, is it too much? Okay, I'll just move it by 0.2, right? Okay, and then I want to move it further down, okay, in x direction. So body is this wing, okay, direction is positive x direction. I want to move it down by 5 meter, generate, zoom in, and okay, so this is okay. I think 5 meters is a bit too much. 4.5 or maybe 4. Okay, I think 4 is better. Okay, so I'll do the same for the vertical tail. Okay, file, import this one, external geometry file. Here, all files. Okay, look for this one, fin. Okay, generate. No, so this is the wrong one, but never mind, we can still use it. Okay, I'll just need to suppress these two bodies. Right click, I need to suppress them. I don't want them. You cannot delete them, you can only suppress them. Right, so I'll just translate this one. Okay. Translate it down to where I want it. So direction is this one. Apply 6. No, should be like 11. Generate. Okay, I want it 11.2. 11.5. Okay, that's too much. 11.3. Yes. Okay. So you see it's buried in the part. This large part of the vertical tail is buried in the fuselage. So I want to move it up a little bit. Okay. So. Oh no, not this one. Create. Okay. Transformation. Translate. Okay, direction is this one. Okay, move by 0.1. Okay, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Yeah, I think 0.4 is about right. Generate. Great. Okay, now I need to, last step, combine them. Okay, combine them into one. So I just need to create again. Go to Boolean. Operations unite. Okay, select all three. Generate. Okay, so now we have got the aircraft ready. Okay, for simulation. Okay. Okay, let's check again. So I have this nose rounded. Hey, hold on. What is this part? Okay. Okay, so this is from. Okay, so these surface bodies are from the wing and tail geometries. Okay. So I just need to suppress them. Okay, I don't need them. So I only need, okay, the final part. So this one. Okay, so thank you for watching. So in the next video, I'll show you how to create the flow domain for the aircraft, and then how to do the meshing and set up the simulations. Thank you for watching.